Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add background music using Capcut. So let's get started. First, you're going to import the clip that you're going to use into a new project in Capcut. Once you are here, you're going to first click on Audio. Here we have a bunch of options, but what you want to click on is Sounds. From here, you're gonna click on this file looking icon. Then we have two options over here, extracted and device. What you want to do is you want to click on device, so you can see the different music that is in your device. Now find the song or music that you want to use, and once you've found it, you want to click on the plus button next to it. And that's pretty much it. Now just adjust the length of it, trim it to where the video ends, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.